Hi, so today we're going to be doing the lily design. We haven't stitched it out on a sweatshirt before, so this is going to be the first time. It's always a little bit sort of nerve-wracking for me to see it on a sweatshirt. Is it going to be right? Have I messed up a sweatshirt? Do I need to retweak it? And so I digitized everything in Hatch and been doing that for years, and I was going to say years, it is over a year now, so yeah. And just loving using my Happy Japan. It's just such a dream to use, and I smile when I use it because I just think to myself, oh my goodness, I should have had this a couple of years ago. Where would the business be now? So actually I kind of impeded my journey by not buying one, which is crazy. But Midwest Machinery, so they ring me, they check in with me, and Paul's brilliant at making sure that I know what I'm doing with it. But it's so easy, and I'll go through it again with you so you can see, because if you're considering an embroidery machine, then it's really important for you to know that you're going to have great customer service and support when you buy something, and yeah, so I just love it. Anyway, it's already been oiled because I oiled it in the other slot at the beginning of the week, and it only needs oiling once a week. So in that one, so that doesn't need doing again. And I've just oiled down where the bobbin is, and yeah. So we're going to set this up. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm just going to show you how we do it. And hopefully, if you find this really easy, then maybe it will inspire you to look into commercial machines, and maybe even give Midwestern Machinery a ring and see whether they've got any more reconditioned models. I don't know if they come in all that often, but certainly with mine, I'm very, very happy, and my mood really is reflected in what they call the machine. So yeah, anyway, let's get this sorted. I'll get it set up and we'll turn the camera around. Catch you in a mo. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that we've got the rack in now, so I've got everything in sizes, and there's all the cards going to be at the top, and some are going to be hung as well. So yeah, so we're trying to get it a little bit tidier. So I'm going to turn it round to here. Sorry, it was a bit a weird angle. And so we've got the white sweatshirt on. I want to make sure that it's located over these pins so that it doesn't suddenly shift the design. And so we want it to read that one. Large. Okay. Ooh. Home. Did that come? There you go. Right. So we need to do colours. Where's my little white thing? My little. Oh, there it is. I find these really useful. So we can go onto there, and we can set the colours. So. And I've suddenly realised that I've changed the format on the printout, because I print them out, and actually I've consolidated some of the way that it stitches. So let's try it. We'll show you on here anyway. So that's black. Oh yeah, so that's okay. So that's yellow. So that's number 11. And then Butterfly Kisses, and that's black. So yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, so we go home. And then we'll go, ooh. No, we won't do that. We won't, ooh, but there you go. That obviously needs to be centered, which is that one. And we can see that it's actually using the 32mm by 32mm frame. It's in the middle. However, we will do a trace. So we go there, and then we want to start the trace, which is there. Okay. So that's a big design, because when I did it in Hatch, I didn't realise I actually had to make it smaller. So it's just as well I did, because it fits in there really nicely. and I can go back to home. It's going to take 15 minutes, 3 colour changes, and it's centered. So yeah, so we are ready to go. Ooh. And as it's stitching, you can see where it's stitching, the little cursor moves. Oh, that is just so cute. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. So let me know your thoughts, and yeah, we'll see how she gets on the website. But what a great sweatshirt for the summer. It is really nice as well. It's quite a mid-weight one. Mid to, let me have a feel. Yeah, it would be perfect for the summer. I've got my hair on it, so. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Take care. Bye.